Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of opportunities across engineering, manufacturing, research and development, and supply chain management. These fields are the backbone of innovation and progress in countless industries. Whether you're a student considering your future, professional looking to pivot, or simply curious about what these sectors offer, this video will guide you through the diverse career paths and growth prospects available. Let's start by understanding why these areas are so vital and how they shape the products and services we use every day. Get ready to explore a landscape filled with potential and promise. Engineering is more than just building bridges or designing machines. It's a discipline that solves real-world problems using science, mathematics, and creativity. Engineers work in various sectors, from civil and mechanical to electrical and software. Their work impacts everything from transportation and energy to healthcare and communication. If you enjoy problem solving and have a passion for making things work better, engineering could be the perfect fit. Let's look at some of the core branches and what makes each unique in the world of opportunities. Mechanical engineering is one of the oldest and broadest branches of engineering. It involves designing, analyzing, and manufacturing mechanical systems, from engines and machines to heating and cooling systems. Mechanical engineers are at the heart of innovation in automotive, aerospace, and energy industries. Their expertise ensures that products are efficient, safe, and reliable. If you're fascinated by how things move and work, mechanical engineering offers a world of possibility. Electrical engineering focuses on the study and application of electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. From power generation and transmission to electronics and telecommunications, electrical engineers play a crucial role in modern society. They design circuits, develop new technologies, and ensure that our devices and infrastructure function smoothly. This field is constantly evolving, offering exciting opportunities for those interested in innovation and technology. Civil engineering is all about designing, building, and maintaining the infrastructure that supports our daily lives. Roads, bridges, buildings, and water systems all rely on the expertise of civil engineers. This field combines technical knowledge with creativity to solve complex challenges and improve communities. If you're passionate about making a tangible impact on the world, civil engineering offers rewarding opportunities. Software engineering is at the forefront of the digital revolution. Software engineers design, develop, and maintain the programs and systems that power our computers, smartphones, and the internet. This field is dynamic and fast-paced, with opportunities in everything from app development to artificial intelligence. If you enjoy coding and problem-solving, software engineering could be your gateway to a future filled with innovation. Manufacturing is where ideas become reality. It's the process of turning raw materials into finished products, using a combination of technology, machinery, and skilled labor. Manufacturing professionals ensure that products are made efficiently, safely, and to the highest quality standards. This field is constantly evolving with advancements in automation, robotics, and smart factories, creating new opportunities for skilled workers and engineers alike. Within manufacturing, there are a variety of roles to explore. From production managers and quality control specialists to machine operators and process engineers, each position plays a vital part in the production chain. These professionals work together to ensure that products are made efficiently and meet strict standards. If you enjoy working with your hands or overseeing complex processes, manufacturing offers a range of fulfilling career paths. Automation is transforming the manufacturing landscape. With the rise of robotics and smart technologies, many repetitive tasks are now handled by machines, allowing workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of production. This shift is creating new opportunities for those skilled in robotics, programming, and systems integration. Embracing automation means staying ahead in a rapidly changing industry. Quality assurance is a critical part of manufacturing. QA professionals are responsible for ensuring that products meet all required standards before reaching the customer. This involves testing, inspection, and continuous improvement processes. Careers in quality assurance require attention to detail, analytical thinking, and a commitment to excellence. If you take pride in delivering top-notch results, this could be the perfect fit. Research and development, or R&D, is where innovation begins. R&D professionals explore new ideas, develop prototypes, and test solutions to create groundbreaking products and technologies. This field is essential for companies that want to stay competitive and lead the market. If you're curious, creative, and enjoy experimenting, R&D offers a dynamic and rewarding environment. R&D teams are made up of scientists, engineers, and technicians who work together to push the boundaries of what's possible. Roles include research scientists, product developers, lab technicians, and project managers. Each plays a unique part in turning ideas into reality. If you thrive in a collaborative and experimental setting, R&D could be your calling. Innovation is at the heart of R&D teams are constantly seeking new ways to solve problems, improve products, and create value. This might involve developing new materials, inventing cutting-edge technologies, or finding more sustainable solutions. The drive for innovation keeps R&D professionals engaged and motivated, making every day a new adventure. The product development process is a journey from concept to market. It starts with brainstorming and research, followed by prototyping, testing, and refining. R&D teams work closely with manufacturing and marketing to ensure that new products meet customer needs and business goals. This collaborative process is essential for bringing innovative ideas to life. Supply chain management is the backbone of global commerce. It involves coordinating the flow of goods, information, and resources from suppliers to customers. Effective supply chain management ensures that products are delivered on time, at the right cost, and with the desired quality. This field offers diverse opportunities for those who enjoy problem-solving and working in fast-paced environments. There are many roles within supply chain management, including logistics coordinators, procurement specialists, inventory managers, and transportation planners. Each role is vital to ensuring that products move smoothly from production to delivery. If you're organized, analytical, and enjoy coordinating complex operations, supply chain management could be a great fit. Logistics and transportation are key components of the supply chain. Professionals in this area plan and manage the movement of goods, ensuring timely and cost-effective delivery. This involves working with suppliers, carriers, and customers to solve challenges and optimize routes. If you enjoy dynamic work and problem-solving, logistics offers exciting opportunities. Procurement specialists are responsible for sourcing the materials and services needed for production. They negotiate with suppliers, manage contracts, and ensure that the company gets the best value. This role requires strong communication and negotiation skills, as well as a keen understanding of market trends. If you enjoy building relationships and making strategic decisions, procurement could be your path. Inventory managers ensure that the right products are available at the right time. They track stock levels, forecast demand, and coordinate with suppliers and production teams. Effective inventory management reduces costs and prevents shortages or overstock situations. If you're detail-oriented and enjoy working with data, this role offers a rewarding challenge. Technology is revolutionizing supply chain management. From advanced software and automation to real-time tracking and data analytics, new tools are making supply chains more efficient and responsive. Professionals who embrace technology can help their organizations stay competitive and adapt to changing market demands. If you're tech-savvy, this is an exciting area to explore. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important in engineering and related fields. Professionals are finding new ways to reduce waste, conserve resources, and create eco-friendly products. This shift is opening up opportunities for those passionate about environmental responsibility and innovation. If you want to make a positive impact on the planet, sustainability-focused roles are worth considering. Each of these fields offers clear paths for career growth. Starting in entry-level roles, professionals can advance to management, leadership, or specialized technical positions. Many companies offer training and development programs to help employees build new skills and take on greater responsibilities. With dedication and a willingness to learn, the sky's the limit for your career. Employers in engineering, manufacturing, R&D, and supply chain management are looking for a mix of technical and soft skills. Technical expertise, problem-solving, teamwork, and communication are all highly valued. Adaptability and a willingness to learn new technologies are also crucial in today's fast-changing landscape. Building these skills will help you stand out and succeed. Most roles in these fields require a solid educational foundation. Degrees in engineering, science, or business are common, but many employers also value hands-on experience and certifications. Ongoing training and professional development are key to staying current and advancing your career. Don't be afraid to seek out new learning opportunities. Women are making significant strides in engineering, manufacturing, R&D, and supply chain management. Companies are actively encouraging diversity and inclusion, creating more opportunities for women to thrive in these traditionally male-dominated fields. If you're passionate about STEM, there's never been a better time to get involved and make your mark. Engineering, manufacturing, R&D, and supply chain management are global industries. Professionals can find opportunities to work abroad, collaborate with international teams, and contribute to projects that have a worldwide impact. If you're interested in travel and cross-cultural experiences, these fields offer exciting possibilities. Future of these fields is bright, with trends like digital transformation, automation, and sustainability driving change. Professionals who stay informed and adaptable will be well-positioned to take advantage of new opportunities as they arise. Keeping an eye on industry trends will help you anticipate changes and stay ahead of the curve. Building a strong professional network and finding mentors can accelerate your career growth. Connecting with others in your field provides valuable insights, support, and opportunities. Many organizations offer mentorship programs and networking events to help you build relationships and learn from experienced professionals. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance is important in any career. Many companies in these fields are recognizing the value of flexible schedules, remote work, and wellness programs. Finding the right balance can help you stay motivated, productive, and satisfied in your career. Opportunities in engineering, manufacturing, R&D, and supply chain management are vast and varied. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance your career, these fields offer rewarding paths filled with growth and innovation. Take the time to explore your interests, build your skills, and connect with others in the industry. The future is full of possibilities. Are you ready to seize them?